Hi friends, I'm going to tell about some hot topics which are very frequently asked in the GATE exam. These topics are regularly asked in the exam, and if you prepare these topics well, you can score very good marks in this exam. First topic, fluid properties. The density, specific weight, specific volume, specific gravity. Some fluid properties can be asked in 1 mark questions. These are the basic of fluid mechanics and the topic you have to read with all the formulas. Okay, move further. Manometry. Manometry, as you know that it is a pressure measuring instrument. The question can be asked in such a way that the use of the instrument, manometers and its applications, where it is used and which type. Every manometer has its own use, so you have to be perfect in and its applications. Simple manometer, differential manometer. In simple manometer, the piezometer, U-tube manometer, single column manometer. In differential manometer, U-tube differential manometer and inverted U-tube manometer. Move further. The buoyancy, uh, where when a body is immersed in a fluid and upward force exerted by the fluid on the body, this upward force is called the weight of the fluid displaced by the body. In this, you have to learn how to find the center of buoyancy, metacenter, metacentric height, condition for equilibrium, and floating submerged body. Very important topics. It always come in GATE exam. Okay, move further. Differential equation, continuity, momentum. These two topics are also always come in the numerical based questions. You have to learn this also. Bernoulli theorem. The Bernoulli theorem, its basic concepts, its applications, the theorem for real fluid and the venturimeter. These four topics under the Bernoulli theorem are always asked. The basic concept you have to learn because in 2016 exam the basic concept is came and its applications why we have to use it. Okay, let's move further. Thank you.